Yeah, absolutely. I would fully agree with what have been said when it comes to the challenges. But if we look at it from the bright side, I mean, what we are seeing today and the next 3 days on the massive development in the ICT, the technologies that we are seeing and the potential, we see a lot of hope, the digital transformation enabling the growth in the digital economy globally. I think what we need to focus on is to make sure that the development in the digital economy achieves the equality, bridge the gaps, whether we talk about regions or across the industries. The World Economic Forum expects that the value added to the economy in the next decade globally, 70% of it will be enabled by digitally enabled business models. So if we think of this, of the current digital gap or divide between regions or businesses continue, we'll be having a lot of nations or people behind, which is something that we should be worried about, and we should all work towards making sure that we unleash and gain the benefit of digital transformation for the best of the society, the environment, and the economy. I truly believe that the digital transformation enabled by the companies represented here in the panel is a big solution for almost all of the 17 SDGs by the United Nations if we do the proper things on how do we get the best out of the digital enablement.